I'm going to show you now how you can install the OTT Prime Scalper robot or any other Forex robot on your MT5. But first of all, you have to have your MT5 open just like this. You have to have your navigator opened as well. To open your navigator, you need to press Ctrl N, or you go over to view and you click on navigate. You also need to have your market watch open. Now, this robot is optimized for 3 currency pairs, which is the Euro USD, the GBP USD, or the USD JPY. So you need to have that particular chart opened as well. So what you need to do is to go over here to your market watch. If your market watch is not open, you go over to view and you click on market watch. The shortcut for opening market watch on your MT5 is Ctrl M. When you have your market watch open, if the currency pair you want to trade on is not displayed here, you can double click on any space and search for it. But here we have the Euro USD, so you can right click and click on chart window. This will have the chart of that particular currency pair opened just like this. The next thing you need to do is to go over to where you have downloaded the Forex Robot. So I have it right here in my downloads folder. Then I have to copy it. I right click to copy it. You can copy with Ctrl C. Now you come over to your MT5. You go over to files. You come down to open data folder. Now you go over to this MQL5 folder. You click on expert folder, open it. Now I want to paste this expert advisor here. So I can just right click and paste it, or you press Ctrl V. I can now close the window. Now what I need to do is to refresh my navigator. So I right click on any folder and click on refresh, and here I have the OTT Prime Scalper robot. The next thing to do is to place it on your chart. You can click and drag or double click. In this case, I will click it and drag it to my chart, and here we have it. This is the description of the robot. Over here is the input. The input of the program may vary depending on the robot you download. So different robots have different inputs. Over here we have the inputs, the time frame, we have the maximum allowed spread, we have the magic number, which should be unique for each currency pair you are running. Now we have other inputs here that I have explained in my last video. So after you have gone through the inputs and you have set the inputs the way you want, you can click on OK, and the next thing you need to do is to allow algo trading. This is very important. So you click on allow algo trading. This will enable the robot to place trade automatically. This is how you can install the OTT Prime Scalper robot or any other expert advice or any other Forex robot on your MT5. This Prime Scalper robot is available for download, free trial. Join our Telegram channel. I'm going to paste the link in the description or in the pinned comments. You can try this robot for yourself. Of course, it has a win rate of 90%. So that is it for today. See you in my next video.